Jamaican Black Panther claims 301.5 million in the Super Lottery prize, people. People, welcome back to Yard and Abroad TV. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, like, comment, share, and subscribe. As I said, if you're not familiar with this channel, we talk about issues in Jamaica, the Caribbean, and the whole world, people. A Jamaican man claimed his 301.5 million Super Lotto prize wearing a Black Panther costume on Friday. Gaming company Supreme Ventures welcomed the latest member to its Super Millionaire Club with the recent handover of the jackpot to the man it only identified as G. Samuels. Samuels purchased his lucky $300 quick pick ticket from the Lotto Superstore in Clock Tower Plaza in St. Andrew. He's one of two Jamaican winners of the multi-jurisdictional game in 2020, having won with the numbers 3, 14, 25, 33, 35 and Super Bowl of 2. In line with the trend of lottery winners collecting their prize in disguise to protect their privacy, Samuel showed up at the handover ceremony wearing a Black Panther costume. He said he has been playing Lotto for 19 years and has always had faith that he would win. Samuel's aimed to use his massive payday to kick back and relax for the foreseeable future. He goes on to say, "I didn't really have any particular goal in mind. I just wanted to win enough money so I could retire and buy a house and a car. Now I am able to do way more than that, and I'm excited about all the things I can do with my winnings," he said. Samuels, who purchased his Super Lotto ticket days in advance, says he went to his usual spot to buy cash pot. When in checking his ticket, he found out that he won a whopping 301.5 million in the Super Lotto. Chief Marketing Officer for Supreme Ventures, Heather Goldston, said making 2 Super Lotto millionaires in 2020 was a bright spot in a gloomy year. 2020 was a very challenging year for everyone in the world, but Supreme thankfully continues to change lives through our games. Winners of Super Lotto and Lotto are dramatically impacted due to the massive size of our jackpots, and we are very excited for our latest Super Millionaire. We appreciate our customers and encourage everyone to stay safe while playing. Samuel said that since winning the 301.5 million, he has also won over 100,000 with Supreme's cash pot game, so the winnings keep coming for him, people. Yeah, man, but respect to him. He might play for a long time and him finally win it. You see me, people? In America, you have Mega Millions and Powerball over 600 and 500 million. And it would be a joy if me could have win that, people. So I'm just happy for him, say him win it, and him go then I'm this guy's guys. Him knows everybody are gonna run in and want a little change here and there. Now I say you can't help nobody, but make sure you know how to properly invest your money and make your money work for you, cause you can't go back being broke. You see me? Yeah, man. Black Panther team him go with to people. Mad. Thank you guys for tuning in once again, people. Big up in yourself. Much love and appreciation. Bless up in yourself, people.